to eliminate gravity. 1, only a flicker of contraction of muscle but cannot move joint. And 0 po for complete paralysis. So ngayon naman po, magte-test tayo ng reflexes nyo. Paki-relax po yung dalawa ng kamay. Okay, so for the scoring po, 0 for absent, 1 for hypoactive, 2 for normal, and 3 for hyperactive, and 4 for close. So the patient score po is 2 plus or normal, let's say. Okay, so for the cerebral testing po, paki-touch po yung nose nyo, tapos i-touch po yung finger po kung saan makapunta. Okay? Sa kabila naman po. So the patient po is negative for dysmetria. So next po, pakidaya po ako maasasa sa chat. Okay, so the patient po is negative for this diadochokinesia. So lastly po sa